the start of day 3. I'm gonna go do some urban foraging. I mean, hit the hotel lobby and see if there's any food. So, kind of frosty out. Yeah, chilly, a little colder than expected. Let's see how this fares for our hike for the day. Made it halfway there. Remembered that I need my mask to go inside and get food. Weird times. Well, due to COVID, the kitchen doesn't meet standards, so they don't have any breakfast options. So, coffee and then we'll figure out something.
Vacation life. Yay, tacos. How's your tacos, Cory?
God.
I did it, I did it, I did it. Look at that one. How's it look?
Looks good.
Keeps my ears warm.
Back in the car.
That, my friends, is what we're gonna go take a hike up. Don't know if we'll really see much sights at the top with the fog, but it's pretty epic.
It's a little chilly, but this is looking great.
Get to try out my new headband I just made.
So.
A new adventure of where's the trail? We decided to take the, where'd it go? Fun little side trails, and it seemed like a bunch of like little mouse trails, random places, so we made our way back down to the paved path. Boring, but
It'll get us to the top.
it'll get us to the top because we want to make the spiral to the top. So let's we're trying to guess which way. Do you think it's this way to the top? Or this way to the top? We'll let you know. All right, round 2.
Mm-hmm.
Better masks, and this is
Contacts.
yes, and contacts for Cory. Little hairdo change for Cherie, keeping it together. This is vacationing during a pandemic. Yeah, getting outside.
Here we go. Doesn't even look real. Looks like they painted it for some art exhibit or something.
Getting our workout. Steps, elevation, all that good stuff.